Come prepared for defeat.
What's going on, everybody? It's Codemaster Hard Rock. I'm back at it again. Now, this is going to be a really weird video. You guys are looking at my face right now. And why is that? It's because the original audio for this video was lost. And I don't know how that happened. All my settings were fixed, and I just did a test run for this. So what I'm going to do for you guys right now is I'm going to showcase you what exactly happened and explain things, and I'll show you guys a little update towards my Ultra / Promo / Ripple Rare collection. So, what is this video? So, to make the world's longest story short, I have a friend of mine, his name's Jensen, I'll put his links down below, and he gave me the greatest hookup of all time. He had a little issue, I'm not going to jump into it, that's personal, it's private, but point being, he had to get rid of his collection, and here I am with said collection here. So if you guys have ever seen like the moving crates, he sent 2 of those worth of chaotic cards. I'll put them right on the screen for you guys just over my face, so you guys can catch what I'm talking about. And over the course of this video, I want to show you guys a little bit of what I got. But what I want to do instead of that is I'll show you guys a little bit of the footage here and there as I'm talking and explaining certain things. But what we're going to do is I'm going to showcase you a little bit of things here and there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut over to the what I like to call the matte cam, and we'll go over what we got in this box. Okay, so this is obviously not everything in the box. Like, altogether, I think this is about 100 pounds worth of chaotic stuff that came in. So, and I do want to preface this by saying a lot of the cards came in these chaotic deck boxes that I have right here. These are going to be taking the place of the main chaotic decks, as you guys have probably seen in my deck profiles that you see coming up soon. The point being, I just want to go over the main things that are absolutely insanity. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about is off camera, but not only do I have 1 complete binder, it looks like I have 3, but I actually have 4 binders. But you guys, actually, this is a better view. Just do that. See that? That is entirely full of super rares from just about every single set. I'm pretty sure at this point I own every single super rare in the game, if I'm not mistaken. Only based on, you know, just the virtue of there's just so much to the point where if I counted, I probably do. But this thing that I want to show you guys real quick is kind of cute. So this is not a real draw skin. This is a proxy draw skin. It's fake. So first of all, how can you tell it's fake other than there's no code? First of all, the cutting is off right here, and you know what? I'm gonna take a second to adjust. So as you guys can see where it says promo, it's so hard to read. I mean, you could read everything else, and yeah, the whole card is foiled, but the problem is the foiling only exists for the art of cards. So as you guys can see with that Arctis promo card right here, his foil only is, you know, around the art of Arctis, not the entirety of it. So with that being said, there you go. That's a cute little proxy that I got, and it's also in a Maxor sleeve, so that's cute. Speaking of sleeves, we also got a crap ton of those too. You know, lots of KOR, lots of Maxor, a lot of generic sleeves. So these are going to be what I will use for like future deck profiles. As you guys will see in my deck profiles coming up, didn't have things like that, so it became a huge pain in the butt. So your guys are probably looking at this Arctis box and thinking, wow. And then I look at this and you go, wow, this section right here, like before this little dip right here, that is all Arctis. All those are Arctises. And these cards right here, this middle section, that is all Bodal's energy or element converter. I'll put a picture up on the screen what that looks like. And this little bottom section down here is all Tachyon the Shadow Knight promos. So these are going to be part of the giveaways. I'm going to be quickly flashing through all my Tachyon the Shadow Knights and see which one I want to use for my main deck, because you guys know I run Tachyon Shadow Knight. So I want to run through and see which one I actually want to pull out, and we'll go from there. Set that aside. Something else that I kind of want to show you guys, it's only cute. This whole container is nothing but Parasite tokens. I don't mind showing off the code right here because I understand a lot of people are like, ooh, it's whatever. But bam, there you go. Parasite token code. Joy. Yeah, this is all Parasite tokens. So I just thought that was really funny. A little funny addition to my new collection. In total, I think this whole box was valued at about well over $6,000, probably. So you're looking at these two jumbo cards and are a little confused. Allow me to explain. There was these chaotic puzzles back in the day where these jumbo cards were included. There's more than these two, obviously. But what I like is, you know, you have your creature, you have your tribe, and you know, you have your tribe symbol right there. You have all your disciplines. If chaotic were to do full art cards, as you guys will see in my binder, I have another full art card. You could put the effect like just right there, and like a music counter. Maybe in the future you can add a music counter just like right there, or even in a little section right over here in the corner by Necrabe's name. I don't know. I just think it'd be really, really cool, and I think that these full art cards are just gorgeous. This one happens to be Necrabe, and this one is Glacier Plains, Marillion Melting Camp. And on the backs of these, you guys can see it is very reminiscent of you know, just the standard chaotic card back. Here's a one for reference. As you guys can see, unlike, you know, the one over here, you got the Chaotic USA logo, the 4Kids Entertainment, and the TC Digital Games logo right there. Now, I don't know what the last one was, TC Digital. I think that might have been where the online game was, how it was created, but needless to say, full art jumbo cards. This is not, you know, the last bit of it too, you know. I just want to emphasize this. I have so many now cuz like, look, there's 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 17 18 of these things. It is absolutely insanity. And what's weird is all of them have the exact same code. So I don't know, you know, what they actually gave you in the game, but, you know, that's another thing to add to the collection. This next item is actually kind of cool because this is one of those things that I didn't realize existed. This is a huge, and I'm talking huge, chaotic poster. So I'm just gonna only fold it halfway through. As you guys can see, this top half has, maybe if I flipped it the other way, right? Anyway, so you have Atacat, you have Nadrin, Maxor, but if you were to unfold it the other way, you would have Dardamus, Lord Von Blue, and my main man Kaor, followed by the chaotic logo attached to it as well. And this poster is just absolute insanity. You know, some would say that this poster is rather chaotic, but I'll be hanging this up in my room, in the little workspace that I have, just to show you guys in the future. So what we're going to do right now is show you guys my updated Ultras, promos, as well as Ripple Foil cards. I have 2 binders worth of stuff, so what we're going to do is we're going to just jump right into it. So we're going to get started with a Ripple Foil Cross Sectus, Ripple Foil Whipcrack, Ripple Foil Frostbite, and Ripple Foil Lore. And you can tell the Ripple Foil, oh man, it's kind of hard to pick up on the camera if I don't have a light source, right? Huh. It might be easier on some other cards, but this one should have no issue. Step and leave. Up. Yeah, do you see like that rippling effect? How it goes full. Kind of hard to demonstrate. But yeah, these are Ripple Foil. Moving on to my next page. Ripple Foil, Mega Roar, Yakis, Ripple Dranicus. We've got a normal Course of the Kothka. This is Bodal's Element Converter. This was the other card that I was talking about that was a promo. We also have a promo edition Fortissimo from the organized play packs. We have an Ikatosh, the Ike King, an absolute crazy card. Falmakin, I understand that he's a like what, a $90 card, something like that. It's absolute insanity. You know, I don't really know how, you know, these cards are valued, but it's insanity. You know, the prices are absolutely insanity. And I do have some Ultra Ripples in here as well. I think Mega Roar is the easiest Ripple foil to get, but if you guys want to like see the individual pages, go ahead and pause it. Unless there's a card that I like want to talk about. Oh yeah, Anrahep, High Muge of the Desert. I have him now. As well as Sludge Gush, because I don't really see too many people talking or even having Sludge Gush. Hammer Doom and the Doom Hammer. Can't go wrong with that. More Ripple foils. Another Hammer Doom. The original Anrahep. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I think, yep, this one is a Ripple foil, so I might be able to demonstrate it better. Or maybe not, where the sun absolutely just wants to destroy. I'm gonna say I will get this thing for you guys. Oh, there we go. Yeah, do you see how it ripples all the way through, just like that? And that's how you could tell a ripple foil. And that's on the art of the card, not on the entirety of the card. That's important. Then we have my boys Maxor and Heptad, finally got him, as well as Wrathtab, absolutely insanity. I got Similan promo, 2 calls, Lord Von Blue, another Tachyon the Shadow Knight, absolutely incredible. Got Kaor and Kor. Kor, I want to slap him in a Mepedian War Beast deck. That would be insanity. Absolute insanity. Finally got a Yakis Spooker, as well as a Lista and a Ripple Foil and Tidion. Tidion is absolutely insane, plus he's a promo. Then I have 2 Ripple Foil Hawaii Trade Conference Heptads. They are both indeed Ripple Foil, as well as 2 Ripple Foil Optos. Very hard to get. Those cards are absolutely insanity, especially Opto as well as the Ripple Foil, you know, Heptad. But this one is my very similar situation, as you guys can see. Dex Protection, it's absolutely insanity. You guys can see my Ripple Foil Maxor, my Full Art Kaor, Prince Mudinu, and Alexia. I had moved my Prince Mudinu, Champion of the Guard, and Eflar to my main Mepedian deck. I just couldn't, you know, bear to go without it in my deck. As you guys can see, there's also a Test Print card, as well as a Magician's Arc card. Kaor, Maxor, Takinom, and the Shadow Knight, both promo and non-promo. Lord Von Blue and Lord Von Blue, Servant of Ani. Ripple, Glacier Plains, and we have a promo Torweg and a couple of promo Torrent Crinth. Yeah, I have 2 more Flurry of Fists. I now have 2 in my Tribalist deck. So technically it's outdated. You would just replace Tecto Strike with 1, as well as Shadow Strike with Gravel Grind. We have 3 Atala, Mind Controlled Roots. More promos. 2 pages of Carnival of Confusion, the Entangled Throne. Absolutely insanity. Got another Getarek and another Ikatosh, as well as a Forged Unity pre-release Tangeth, which should be in my super rares, actually. And there's plenty of more room to add to my Supers and Ultras collection. But there is something in my super collection that I definitely want to show you guys. You know what? Give me 2 seconds just so I can do a little something. You guys notice anything? Notice anything right here? Yeah, I finally own a Drachnus. It is absolutely insanity. This page was nuts. I'll throw the footage up on the screen for you guys so you guys can check it out. But yeah, no, all these binders are absolutely filled to the brim with insane super rare cards. All of them are full. I think I own every single super in the game right now. I'm only just going through real quick because I understand that there's a bunch of codes that are exposed right here. So I don't want to exactly show off my codes for you guys like that, because well, I plan on eventually selling these cards, or what I actually plan on doing for the soon-to-be immediate future is giveaways. So I decided that I was going to throw the giveaway stuff on the screen instead of just saying, oh, for this giveaway, blah, blah, blah. Only to save some time. Right now, according to my timer, I'm at 14 minutes plus. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of the footage that I have, sped up just a little bit, and let you guys really check out what I got. And if you guys saw my face while I was opening this, as well as heard the audio, absolute insanity. Just a treat of me screaming in joy and showing off what I got. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of the footage. And by the time you guys actually see, you know, me come back, you know, from recording a new video or whatever, I will be in San Diego. I'll not be at my home, so I'm going on vacation. So I hope you guys enjoy yourselves, and if you're within the San Diego area and want to see me, hit me up on my socials. Peace!